What is happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam, this is Vancity Audi, and what do we have behind me? None other than my RS3. A long time has passed since we have had more content on my RS3. I truly apologize to all of you. Just want to let you guys all know ahead of time, we did not do much to this car for one reason last year. And that was funds. I was lacking the funds to be able to do a lot more to this, and it is much more cost effective to modify my B8 S4 and have some fun with that one. So that's what I concentrated on last year. But we have something new for the season of 2022, which starts in what, 4 months from now? It's just before Christmas here in 2021. We have a very fun project today, which is going to enable us to go hopefully significantly quicker and faster in the quarter mile. And that is a brand new TTE855. That is the Turbo Engineer's largest hybrid turbo that they're going to manufacture. Right now, I am using the TTE855. I managed a 930 at 146 and change. The quickest I was able to go was a 9.3 at 148, I think was the highest trap speed I managed. So what we're gonna do today is I'll give you a quick little rundown of the 855. We'll do a side-by-side comparison once we take out the 777 from the RS3, show you those turbos side by side, and the little information that I've been given about the turbos to kind of differentiate them and what makes them different. Then Kyle's gonna throw in the 855 into my RS3, and then we wait. I have confirmation from Unitronic that they will be tuning it. They will be providing everyone a tune on the 855. But thankfully, because the turbo is so similar to the 777, we're able to drive the car with the 777 file still in the car. So right now I'm using a 93 octane tune meant for the 777, and I can cruise around. I'll just stay at a boost. I won't be romping on it or anything like that with the 855 installed. So I'll go over the turbo, kind of show you what it's like. We'll get to the install or the uninstall, and we'll toss in the 855 and look forward to making much more power. So what we have here is the TTE855, but it isn't quite what you would buy if you bought it new from TTE. This is actually a prototype that I got from TTE, so it still has the stock OEM actuator. So the first thing Kyle's gonna have to do is install this upgraded actuator. If you were to purchase the entire unit from TTE, this would already come installed, but that's what we're gonna have to do first. The other difference that you're going to find in this TTE855 is this 9-blade high-flow turbine, which differentiates it from the 777. Once we've removed the 777 from the car, we'll get it side by side so you can see the difference. Here are the two cartridges side by side once they've been removed from their respective manifolds. This is the 777 that was removed from my RS3, and right beside that, the significantly larger turbine found in the 855. The other interesting thing though is they both have the same cartridge. As you can clearly read, it says 777 on both the 855 and the 777 turbo. The other thing that we noticed were the stops on the actual manifolds. Here's the 777. Looks exactly the same as the 700. But when you go over to the 855, it's been completely removed. This is to enable that extra travel that you need because we have an upgraded actuator now. Allows for a greater range of motion. The install went super easy, just like the uninstall did. The only thing was that upgraded iRose fuel line was a little bit of a pain in the butt because we didn't go through the actual tunnel under the car, so we tucked it in behind the actuator. Kyle has completed the install of the TTE855. Time to start it up, get a little bit of that coolant cooking, get a little bit of steam, make sure we don't have any leaks past what we spilled out a little here and there on the install, and hope to goodness we don't, and hear this bad boy come to life again, but now with that 855 installed. We're having a barbecue, boys. little bit of steam from the coolant that was spilled. Nothing to worry about. It will burn off over time. Just wanted to show you guys this. In case it happens to you when you do a turbo swap, not the end of the world as long as you don't actually have a leak. Alright, we got a little bit of steam going on, but nothing crazy. Topping up the coolant that we lost. I'll give you guys a couple free revs just for the sake of hearing what this thing sounds like. We're all done with the install. Everything looks good. No leaks, no drips underneath the car, so we're good on that. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we are not going to be tuning the car right now. There is no available file from Unitronic for the TTE855, but I do have confirmation from Unitronic themselves that they will be producing a tune for this turbo. So now it's a waiting game. Now we wait, and hopefully within the next month, 2 months, I'm hoping, they manage to get a tune done for this, and then we can get on the dyno back at Racing Greed and put this car through its paces to see how much power it makes now. Now, to answer all of the questions all at once, the main question that I've been getting, DM'd, instant messages, whatever, Adam, why the hell are you using another hybrid turbo rather than a full frame? You know you want to go fast, you know you're only drag racing the car, why oh why? And I'll tell you why. Right now, to my knowledge, I am the second quickest RS3 in the world using a hybrid turbo. Why not try to go be number one? Give it a shot. It's a long shot at that. Lexi and Josh over at TCR Performance in New Jersey hold that spot right now. They've managed a 9.0 with, I believe it was Irose's 850H kit. Very, very, very impressive times with a hybrid turbo and RS3. So I figure, why not try to at least meet that, beat that? I don't think this quite has an 8-second run on it, but I've been proven wrong before. So we're gonna give it our best. We got a few more modifications to make to the car over the off season until we get back on track in April, back at Mission Raceway. So stay tuned to the channel, and hopefully the next time you see this RS3, we will be back at Racing Greed on the dyno to see how much power we can make. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, take care.